All right, here we are at mile marker 9. You'll know you made it far enough when you hit this bridge. You're going to want to go down at the other end over there. The inside of the bend of the river, but you'll see it. All right, welcome back to Pacific Northwest Prospectors. We're down here at mile marker 9. You can see the big bend in the river and how it goes on down this way. Big sweeping bend. We got the girls digging over here in a hole up underneath this tree up along the bank. They're just now getting down to riverbed or to bedrock, and we're going to start trying to clean the bedrock up towards this tree bank over here, and we'll see what we get. It looks like a nice low depression. You see the big gravel bar here that we're standing on, and then there's this big crevice back here. So we're going to start here. We'll see what we get. Show you guys what happens. Since we're just prospecting, we're just using the old classification screen bucket technique, and then we'll run our concentrates over there on the sluice up inside of the ripple in the faster water. But we're going to get a few buckets before we head that way. We like to do a 10 bucket prospect rule, so we'll see how it works out. Yeah, we got our sluice set up over here. I'll show you guys real fast from our digging hole. I don't know if you can see her in there, but she's right there. And we're walking right over here, and we're throwing it where there's fast enough water to actually move it. All right, here's the hole we dug. We hit bedrock and then started to work our way towards the bank right there, trying to get into that gravel bar. And we only got about 3 or 4 buckets in, and we have to leave because of light. But I'm gonna go over there and get the sluice box all prepped for clean out. So we'll show you guys how to do that. All right, I let the sluice run all the material out. All I got left is big piles of black sand in there. And a stream right here, which you can't see on camera probably, but it's pretty fine looking gold. So we'll go ahead and get it cleaned out, and then we'll see what we got left over after we're all done. We'll take it home and run it through our blue bowl. But let me get the sluice box out and washed out. All right, got the sluice box all cleaned out. That's all we got for black sand. Now we're gonna take it home. Instead of panning it here, I'll take it home and I'll run it on our homemade blue bowl, which you guys want to see how we do that, check out Do It Yourself Blue Bowl on the DIY channel, or you could check it out on this channel. And it's how we made a blue bowl out of a bread pan for less than 30 bucks, and the sucker works really good. So we're gonna go ahead and call it a day on the river and get on out of here. This is mile marker 9, Salmon River. You can watch the lighter material go over the center. And if you don't like the speed that it's at, you can always turn it up. But I'm kind of liking it running a little slower. That way it can take its time and make sure I don't wash out any of my good material. I'll turn it up just a little bit more. Add a little more material. You can see how it starts to create this starfish effect, and it's washing all the light material right over here to the center, and it's coming off the inside. All right, so there's the end results out of the blue bowl, and after blowing away black sand on a white piece of paper, I got a penny here next to it so you can see what it actually size references. And it's pretty brown. I know it's real hard to tell on this camera, and I'm shaky, but it looks like it's got a bunch of platinum silver mixed into it. We're pretty happy with these results. We only did a 3 bucket run, like I said, instead of our normal 10. And normally we like to get 10 in just to be sure, but if you find some gold flake in that little bit amount of material ran, then if you run a bunch of it, you're bound to find more. And this just goes to show that the Salmon River is gold bearing. Our first video was taken at Rose Lodge store area at the covered, or what used to be called the covered bridge, but is now just a bridge. It used to be known to all the locals as Covered Bridge or Red Bridge. A lot of people go swimming there. We found a couple of little pieces there. Now we're at the 9 mile marker, working our way up towards the head, and we found some more. So we're just going to continue to work our way up and see if it gets better, and hopefully it does. You never know, gold is where it lies. But that's it for this video. From Pacific Northwest Prospectors, we want to wish you all best of luck hunting for gold and prospecting. Be sure to be out there and be safe, and take care. We'll see you guys on the next one.